Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're so happy to be here with you today. Thank you for joining us.
Before we start, please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English. It helps our channel grow, and it supports our lessons.
Thank you so much. Your support really means a lot to us.
So, Tom, today we have a very important topic. We're talking about training your mouth and your mind for English.
Yes! So many people tell us, Tom, I can understand English. I can read it. I can listen to it. But I cannot speak.
It's a very, very common problem. Many learners understand a lot of English, but speaking feels difficult.
And the reason is simple. Your brain knows English, but your mouth has not practiced enough.
Yes, it's like knowing how to cook by watching videos, but never touching a pan. You know how, but you haven't done it.
Your mouth muscles are used to your first language. English uses different sounds, different shapes, different rhythms. So your mouth needs training, just like going to the gym.
Let's start with one of the best methods, shadowing.
Shadowing means you listen to a speaker and repeat after them, almost at the same time, like a shadow that follows.
For example, if the speaker says, "Hello, how are you today?" You say it immediately after, "Hello, how are you today?"
You copy the pronunciation, the rhythm, the intonation, the emotion.
Don't worry if you cannot understand every single word. The goal is to train your mouth to move like English speakers.
The next exercise is repeating simple phrases every day. These are like warm-up exercises for your mouth.
Yes, you can say things like, "I'm ready. I can do this. Let's go. Good morning. Thank you." Say them with feeling, with emotion, with a smile.
The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to make your mouth comfortable with English sounds.
My favorite one. Speak out loud, even when you are alone.
Yes, don't be shy. Your home is your safe English zone.
You can describe what you're doing. I am making coffee. I am cleaning my room. This is my phone. It is black. I am washing the dishes.
This trains your mouth to produce English naturally, without pressure.
Okay, now let's talk about the mind. How can you start thinking in English?
You don't start with big, complicated ideas. Start small.
If you see water, think, water. If you feel tired, think, I'm tired. If the weather is cold, think, it's cold.
No translating, no switching languages in your head. Just simple English words.
Later, you can think in small phrases. I need to buy food. I want to rest. The sky is beautiful today.
Thinking in English makes speaking much faster because there is no translation delay.
Now let's talk about making English part of your life every day.
This is called immersion. Even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, you can create your own English environment.
Change your phone to English. Watch short videos with English subtitles. Listen to simple English podcasts, like this one. Read small English articles. Look at English memes.
You don't need to study for 2 hours. Just surround yourself with English. Anna.
Exactly. Let English become part of your world, like music in the background.
Consistency is more important than long study hours.
Yes, even 5 minutes a day is powerful.
It builds habits, and habits build fluency.
Now here is something very important. Celebrate your voice.
Yes. Don't wait to be perfect. You speak to become better.
Your accent is okay. Your voice is beautiful. You are learning. You are growing.
Communication matters more than perfection.
Now, Tom, let's add a little story to help our listeners understand how training works. This is a new story about a learner named Mila.
Great idea. Let's begin.
Mila is 27 years old. She lives in Vietnam and she understands English very well. She watches English movies. She listens to English songs. But when she needs to speak, her mouth freezes.
One day, Mila tries to introduce herself to a foreign coworker. She wants to say, "Hi, I'm Mila. Nice to meet you." But instead, she only says, hello, and she feels embarrassed.
That night, she tells herself, I know English. Why can't I speak? Then she reads something online. Your mouth needs training, not just your brain.
So she makes a plan. She practices simple phrases in the mirror. I'm ready. I can speak. My name is Mila. Her voice is soft, unsure. She starts shadowing a 5-minute English video. She repeats slowly. Her mouth feels tired, but happy. She begins talking aloud while cooking. I cut the tomatoes. This smells good. I'm washing the pan. English becomes part of her home. A miracle. She begins thinking small thoughts in English. I'm thirsty. It's late. I need to sleep. She realizes she's not translating anymore. Finally, at work, after 2 weeks, she meets the foreign coworker again. This time she smiles and says clearly, Hi, I'm Mila. Nice to meet you.
The coworker smiles back. Nice to meet you too.
And Mila thinks, wow, my mouth finally listens to me.
And that, my friends, is the power of training your mouth and mind.
You can do this too. Start small. Practice often. Don't wait for perfection.
Speak out loud, shadow, repeat phrases. Think in simple English. Celebrate your beautiful voice.
Your English will grow slowly, naturally, strongly.
Thank you for listening to English with Mr. Bond. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. What is one English phrase you will repeat every day?
We'd love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing